So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Solve, where we try to solve your tech related queries. So today I am going to show you how to log into NAB Bank Australia. So at first, open any web browser application on your device. After opening the web browser application, go to the search bar and search for nab.com.au and press the enter button. Then it will lead you to the homepage of NAB Bank Australia. At the top right corner of this page, you will see the login button. Simply tap on it. After tapping, it will lead you to the login page of NAB Internet Banking. There you will see the NAB ID and password section where you have to write your NAB ID. After entering the ID, write the password correctly. Then you can use this option to remember your NAB ID default by your device, or if you are using the shared device, I recommend you not to use it. After filling the information correctly, tap on the login button, then you will be successfully logged into your NAB Internet Banking. Or if you haven't registered it yet, you will see the register now button too. That's all for today. Hope you liked our video and stay tuned for our next video, and do not forget to hit that like button. Thank you.